Hello guys, welcome back to another week. How was your weekend so far? Oh, actually it's already after the weekend. Unless you're in such a strange time zone that it's still weekend for you, then I guess good for you. Today back to Chordie, yes, we gonna be trying to fit this tiny encoder. I decided to use this one. I think I have only one piece, so if I break it, that's it, it's done. But off stream I managed to create a proper mount for it, as well as the knob and everything. So we're gonna take a look if this actually works, and after that, well, I don't know yet, there is something else to do definitely, but we're gonna start with Chordie. Well, I haven't tested it even yet. I only did a tiny fit, like before I was committing to the whole piece, but okay, looks like this part fits okay. Yeah, there's no wobble anymore. I managed to eliminate that. I hope that the distance will be okay. There's should be alright. It's basically the same height as everything else. But the issue might be with my encoder model, so this one might be not too accurate, so there might be a few millimeters off, but I don't think it will be too much visible over here. I hope it won't be, like, there won't be gap anywhere here. Yeah, and I have this piece as well, that's the bottom part. At least I printed it correctly. And we have a slot for the switch over here, just as I promised. And we have a holder that should be able to hold this encoder in place. Yeah, so once we have it like this, the knob will come from the top. I assume everything is centered, so should fit. Okay, anything else do we need to... Okay, I think it should be okay. Had to swap chair, the different one. Okay, this one seems more comfortable. Okay, where were I? Yeah, I was supposed to open it up. I think we managed to install the wires last time, or maybe we didn't. I think I have to check. I think it was B1, B2 over here. Yeah, I can vaguely remember. I did the black one, and then I decided that like using the black one wasn't the smartest choice. So then I went with the orange one over here. So I think these two, and then we have to switch somewhere. Okay, I think that was switch, so we have to solder it back. I should have left it. My mistake again. And what's that? Okay, that's VCC and ground. This one we won't be needing, are we? I mean ground. I think ground will go for the center pin over here. So that's one thing. Okay, that's I2C. So this one won't be used. Yeah, I think I need to double check which inputs was it. Oh, by the way, how do you find the new overlay? I think I'm gonna change the background from this colorful crap. I think I have a nice photo that I put on my Twitch channel. So it has some switches and keyboard related stuff. So that might be better. Right. Okay, let me quickly pull up the Chordie. Okay, Chordie mapping. Oh, now you can't see shit. I know. Is the keyboard too big? Right, so it was B2, B0, and B1. Is B0 connected? Ah, yes, looks like it is. Okay, so that's the switch. So B0 is the switch, B2 and B1. Okay, looks easy. wasn't that bad. I think we have a quite good hold. Okay, so that's for later. Then we need what? Okay, what is this actually? Okay, so these are two ground wires, so I think I can hook it up like this. And it would be nice if I could check which one is A and which one is B on this one. Because I think B1 should be B. Okay, I think that's the one. Let's take a closer look. Okay, if they have any kind of a diagram, nothing over here. Okay, not too lucky today. How about this one? Looks professional. Looks like the picture was ripped off from JLC. Maybe they ripped off the rest of the drawings as well. Bullshit certificates, FAQ, and the stuff that actually matters is not there. There used to be more of these online. Maybe I just typed it wrongly. And of course I don't have it anywhere. I was hoping I've made a bookmark with the specs of it, but looks like I didn't. Oh, I think I saw something, yes. Okay, so that's the view from where? From the bottom? It would seem so. Okay, so B should be first. Okay, I hope I got it right. Worst case scenario, we'll have to resolder. It's not that bad. I think we can hook it up and see what is the direction. I think there should be zoom in, zoom out on this encoder, because before we had I2C encoder and that one was for scrolling, and this one I think it should be zoom in and zoom out. Okay, nothing is happening. Okay, let's check the sources. Okay, I think I left it as a volume. Could that be volume? So that is obviously wrong. Although can I control volume? I haven't seen anything. It doesn't look like it, but that doesn't have to be the case. I wonder if you have any output from HID listen. Okay, there is debugger on, but looks like I am not debugging the matrix or anything like that. Well, no choice but to flash new firmware. Okay, how about now? Okay, now we have something. Okay, so do we have any kind of a... Okay, yeah, so there is something, but probably maybe due to the sound device that I have currently as default, there is nothing happening and I can't mute it as well. Okay, so I need to change that. Okay, I'm seeing some orange flashes on the screen. What the hell is that? Let's go back to the old overlay. Yeah, much better now. What was I supposed to change? Right, so over here, okay, let's change this to something from the module, maybe. So the zoom in, zoom out. Of course, I already forgot. What was the name? Okay, that will be up. Okay, so that would be external, OA. I think that was the name. And this one would be external as well, and that was... Oh shit, zoom reset, right? But was like this or RT? I will have to check. And then we have another external, and that will be OA like this. Okay, I need to check what was the correct name. ZORT. Oh, even got it right. Okay, so zoom out, zoom reset. It's twice zoom out. That one was up. I think it was like this: zoom in, zoom out, zoom reset. Okay. Let's generate. Finished. Cool. Okay, how about now? Do we have anything? Okay, something is happening, but this page is not zooming in. Okay, how about this one? Okay, we have a zoom in and zoom out. And do we have a reset? Yes, reset works. Perfect. So I guess we can try to reassemble this whole thing. And there's a chance that it might actually work. Well, we have a bunch of wires over here. I don't know what should I do with them. Okay, VCC is clipped, so no danger over here. And I2C, okay, maybe I should clip it as well. Awesome, I just broke it. But lucky for us, that wasn't the part that I need. Here it is, the one that we need for this encoder. Okay, now I have to do it in a way that I won't break this and somehow manage to nail the opening over here. Okay, maybe I'll be able to take it out and then maybe push it in. Probably it's gonna be messed up. Okay, looks like I made it. I am not quite happy. I am not quite happy about what happened because it doesn't seem like it fits correctly. I think it's okay. I can feel like the tactile. But why is it so odd? Okay, I think I have to open the bottom. Yeah, I was supposed to do something with those wires over here, and now they're getting in the way. Hey Daniel, same name? Hey, I'm doing good. How about you? How did you manage to fix your coffee overdose? Well, I can't really... Okay, got it. Finally. Yeah, I think this time it's correct. Although, why is it sticking out so... Well, how is it that... Is it like too long? Yeah, it would seem so. And by quite a lot. This one? No, it's not bothering me. I'm kind of disappointed because I did so many measurements and it still doesn't fit. But I think all we need to do is just make the knob a little bit shorter. I'm trying to figure out like how much shorter. Maybe there will be a better way to mount it, because this way it's kind of annoying. Can't really see how I'm pushing the knob. Yeah, right. I think better would be hot glue. Hot glue is my favorite, actually. Okay, so it's like 7.4, the height. I need to check what was it in the model. What was the height of this thing? Okay, it's 6.1 over here. No wonder. But why would I make it so much different? Oh well, let's make it 7.4. Okay, which part should I enlarge? From the top is 3.5. Okay, 2.7. And this part is 3.4. It's more like 3.7. Oh, it's 3, okay. 3.7 like this. And how is it right now? Okay, 7.2. Okay, this is more in line. So let's go back to the knob. Okay, there is this tiny piece over here. Done what? I'm probably wrong yet again. Yeah, there is this tiny piece on the bottom that is sticking out a little bit, so I think it would be nice if we could include that. Good that I have printer ready. Okay, let's make it 0.6. That will be 3 layers on top. That should be enough. But I also noticed that there was not enough. Okay, what's that? We don't need that surface over here. Go away. It seems like this part is rather too thin. Okay, it is. It's just 0.5. Let's make it a little bit thicker. Let's make it maybe 1.2. Yeah, that should do it. Okay, so we have a new knob. This one should fit perfectly. Or maybe not. We're gonna find out soon. Well, the good thing is that the encoder actually works. The keys that it was supposed to press or simulate, they do work. So at least the connection is correct. Okay, let me check the printer. It looks like it's ready to print. Okay, so in the meantime, what can we do in the meantime? I was supposed to do so many things. Okay, one thing that was bothering me was one of my modules. Which one was it? I think the one with the encoders in matrix. Why would I do that? I don't know. I can destroy some other keyboard that I haven't built, like the one like standard row stagger, which I don't like. It gives me pain after 1 minute of typing. Ah yes, over here, encoders in matrix. What was that I didn't like? I was thinking about putting everything into structures instead of having those fancy arrays. Yeah, but where is all this stuff? It looks like something is missing from here. Okay, yeah, this one over here. So that is one thing, and okay, that is interesting. Why don't I have these changes over here? Something's messed up. Like a strange repo. Okay, where's the printer? No, finally. do I have a GitHub over here? Okay, looks like I don't. I hope I can install it quickly. I was talking about GitHub desktop because I need to sign in. Okay, forget about it. Never mind. Okay, now when I look at it, I don't think having a class structure would make a lot of difference because although yeah, maybe. Give me a second. Okay, quick reminder how to make a structure. I'm mostly interested how to initialize if I have it in an array. Because over here I would like to create an array, but with a structure that would be kind of easy. Because I can only have this size, and this one will actually, that will be array of those encoders, let's say. And then, for example, these macros, they should be able to okay, how is it? Yeah, like we have it over here. Wouldn't it be cool if you could have them nested, for example, like encoder path would be a structure as well, and then it would have like A and B components. Okay, so that will be row. And that will be column, like this. So we could have it maybe over here, we could have it path A, path B, and then we need to have resolution. And we need to have it if it's flipped or not. So in our case, this type def with encoder names, this one will stay. And I hope I can replicate the same interface with those macros, so then I won't have to change too much, probably. Okay, so let's take a look. So let's kill this one. Okay, so we have to do it the same way. Encoders begin. So I think I only have to recreate these for standard encoder, the one with resolution, the one that is flipped, and resolution and flipped. I have to use the dot format. Okay, but we have this as well. Okay, the print finished. That's nice. Okay, small break in coding. Let's take a look at this one. I wonder if it's gonna fit this time around, if it won't be sticking too much like previously. There is a gap over here. I don't know if you will be able to see, just right there. It's kind of smooth. Should be okay. I like this tactile feeling. Magnetic encoder doesn't have that because there is no like a switch inside, but yeah, it's not that bad, although it feels kind of... No, I think it's smooth all the way. Okay, let's give it a shot if it actually works. I need to transfer the rubber feet. Okay. Okay, I couldn't see the cursor. It was behaving a little bit odd today at work. I couldn't use it that much. Alright, so let's go back over here. How's the zoom? I even got it correctly. So this way is zoom in, zoom out. And we have zoom reset. And the switch works as well. Okay, that's quite nice. Okay, where were we? On the encoder paths, right? So how would it be? Something like this. Give it path A, path B. So that should be path underscore A. Dot row, right? Equals. Something like this. Path A dot row should be path row. So that will be one part, and I think I should put a Okay, so going into the first encoder. So now we can keep the name as well, because before it was discarded. So I think it should be something like this. Path A. I think I have to remove these, only leave the internal ones. Okay, so path A, path underscore B. Okay, so this will be PIM default resolution and false, because we don't want it to be flipped. Okay. Maybe we can give it a shot and take a look at the okay, it's not complaining about anything, and over here we can see how the macro was changed or like resolved. And what do we have? Okay, so that's a bit odd. Okay, now it looks a little bit better over here. So we have name, path A row, path A column. Okay, path B somehow didn't change. Yeah, looks almost okay, except for the path B. Why it didn't substitute? Okay, AM path B. That is kind of odd. Why wouldn't it change this one? These are two basically the same, part A and part B. Okay, I missed this one. Now it should be better. Alright, now it looks good. Okay, so looking at it, I think that should be okay. I just need to fix errors on my end over here. This is so helpful that you can drop it on Godbolt and just, you just add -e over here in the parameters and you can see how the macros will be resolved. Super helpful. I like it. Okay, part A, part B, part A, part B, name, and we have to change name over here. Underscore name. Underscore name. Okay, and that should be it. But I think we have to drop maybe semicolon over here. A colon, right? Okay, so for Chordie, I think I only have this one. I think I have only used on this one type. Okay, it's over here. Yeah, standard encoder. Okay, so we can try to compile, but it's a little bit early yet. Okay, so over here I just changed all the references that was taken from the old array into the new one. So basically, instead of using all those offsets that I had before, I will be using the structures, right? So we have part A, part B, we have a part A row, part A column, and so forth. This one will be resolution. I think it was code flipped, right? Okay, flipped. Okay, encoder state. Aren't we missing something over here? Okay. Okay, is that it? Is that all? Well, it looks like at least it uploaded the correct stuff. So many errors. Hello, Emily. Thank you for following. Hello, hello. How are you doing today? Ah, yes. Just swap it today with a new encoder on this side. So now we have a analog encoder on this side. Before it was magnetic. Now I was just testing if mechanical one will fit, and it does fit. No worries. Oh yeah, it's a chording keyboard, so you have to press a couple of keys to get a proper output. Well, I was trying to change a few things in code and I messed up everything. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, so this is right up your alley, I guess. This kind of stuff. Okay, so what is the problem? It starts with these names. Unknown type. Okay, encoder symmetrics. Okay, I think I know. Yeah, because this one is not defined yet. Holy shit, can we even make it like that? Yeah, because I have this definition over here. Yes, I guess it's complaining about this one, is it? What was the number line? Is that 10? Okay. Yeah, so it's complaining about this part over here. Well, I have more keywords over here. How about this one? On this one, yeah, this one has like more or less how the keycap is showing, so it's the same letter, more or less, with few exceptions. This one is not what it says it is, but yeah, more or less. At least the letters, the QWERTY is okay. Yes, the ball is the mouse, the trackball. Super convenient. Okay, what can I do with that? Makes you wonder if it would help if I would make it extern. For CAD, I am using Design Spark Mechanical. This one. I don't know if you're familiar. They don't really show much. Yeah, but this is how it looks like. I can show you the whole board. It's very much like FreeCAD, not FreeCAD, sorry. It's very much like Fusion 360, but it's not the same caliber. It's a little bit simpler, but still gets the job done. I like it a lot. And it's you can pay for it as well. Then you get some extra features, but you can live without them as well. And what is good, even with the free version, you can sell your stuff. So Fusion does not allow you for that, and this one you can sell, you can make money. And this one is not in the cloud, so everything stays on your drive. Okay, would that even work if I make it extern? Probably not. Well, I can move them. Since this will be included, okay, let's do it like this. Let's cut it out from here. Well, that didn't change much. Damn, so many errors I can't even see where's the beginning. Oh, it's not complaining about this one. Oh. Okay, it looks like it is complaining. I wonder what's that. Oh, come on. Ah, yeah, right, okay. Oh wow. Good that you're not streaming. That would be a disaster. Well, shouldn't that be a semicolon instead of colon? Oh no. Okay, so we have a similar error over here. Okay, what does it mean? Braces around scalar initializer. This says a lot. Okay, so looks like I have an issue with initializing. Oh yeah, right, okay, because that's not the type. Right, I just realized that it won't be this type anymore. So where is it? Okay, it's not gonna be integer. It's gonna be encoder like this. Okay, so looks like this time it should be working. Let's change that. Ah, god damn it. Yeah, but is that the only issue? Encoder names? So if I move this one first, then it's gonna complain about this one. If I move this structure first, then it's gonna complain about what? It's gonna complain about this part. Oh shit, how can I move this stuff so that it won't be getting in the way? So I have to change this type. But I have it defined only over here. What a mess. I don't think I'll be able to replace that with the structure. Although, at least I don't really know how, because like these types, they kind of like cross-reference each other. Okay, we are getting somewhere. Well, it looks okay on this side. Holy shit. Is there a chance it might actually work? Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, what a mess. What a convoluted definition. How am I gonna put that into QMK? Let's take a look over here. Okay, maybe we can do it like this. Alright. Okay, so one end is the definition file. Okay, following this, so this should be here. Oh yeah, but that sucks either way. Because I can't change it like that in QMK because the H file goes before the key map and then the C file goes after the key map. And over here I have key map, so most of the definitions will be ahead. And the problem is that I need to have this defined before I can do this one. Unless I change it to like a normal enum, then it shouldn't matter, should it? And that would be just an integer. Yeah, I would have to put some definitions over here. And that's not gonna work, holy shit. Okay, let's change it. Let's get rid of this. Okay, so basically after this change, it shouldn't matter. Oh, what happened? Okay, where is the... Okay, encoder name is alright. No way. No way it compiled. Question is if it even works, but yeah, technically should work. Let's flash it and see what happens. Okay. How about we go here I should have a zoom. Let's see if I rotate. Okay, it works. Wow, how cool is that? How cool is that? Awesome. I wasn't expecting that I would be able to pull it off in this episode, because I was already thinking, oh shit, maybe I should just leave it, try to fix it off stream. Okay, but it wasn't that bad, to my surprise, and everything works. And that makes things a lot easier. Yeah, I forgot we have some more stuff, because we only implemented this one, right? Okay, we need a few more. So that was EM, encoder, that was name, path A, path B. Okay, the name was like this, with resolution. Encoder resolution like this. So it's gonna be name, path A, path B, okay, and the resolution like this. Oh, where's the next one is flipped. So this is basically the same stuff, just that and this one would be, how did I call it back then? Okay, so there was no additional argument, it was just true, or parameter. Flipped was true. And we have rotate, I mean not rotate, we have resolution and flipped, so that's gonna be so that stays true, but this one will be encoder resolution like this. Okay, so I think I have all of them. Okay, let's give it a shot, one more try to compile, and I think I have another keyboard that is using some of them, maybe, I need to check. Beyond the default one, beyond the basic encoder, but I'm not quite sure, probably, maybe even not. Okay, let's see DBD. How does it look like? Oh no, I'm not using any. Okay, so how about we change Chordie for once, just to see if it compiles, if there are no issues. let's make it flipped, and this one let's make it rotate. Not rotate. What's with this rotation? That's resolution. Let's make it 500. Let's make it 64. Okay, and I changed the wrong one, as usual. We're supposed to change this one. This one will be flipped. This one will be with resolution. And this one will be resolution flipped, like this. Okay, no issues, it would seem. All right. Oh, the chair is so uncomfortable, my god. Okay, so we got actually quite some things done today. So we changed this, okay, over here. So we changed this encoder to analog one. It's not as good as the magnetic one, but still something. And I wanted to check if the design actually fits. It looks like it fits okay. Maybe I should make it shorter a little bit. This, and we also managed to make to simplify encoders a little bit. So instead of having array with some offsets, now I have a structure, actually two structures. From the user perspective, nothing has changed because it's still the same definition. So if you're doing, if you're using it, so that will remain the same. It's kind of a good interface with the macros. So yeah, I got this done. Right, cool. Okay, I guess we are done for today. C always sucks the life out of me. I will be back maybe tomorrow, no promises, but highly probable I will be on Wednesday. We have to, what next? Yeah, I would like to check this laser pointer finally after so much time. Probably, if not today, probably tomorrow I will spend some time trying to push those changes to my GitHub repo. So I won't be streaming that, but okay, we never know. We see how it goes. Yeah, we can do that, and yeah, also this thing is hunting me. If you remember what that is, this is our macro path. So the big bearings. Somewhere, I don't know where I put them even. So we have to do something like this kind of a bearing. This one also won't cut it. I mean, the height wise is okay, but it will be difficult to mount it. So I wanted to give it a shot with FreeCAD, and I would like to make my own parametric 3D printed bearing. I already have the balls. Let me check. The bearing balls, of course. And yeah, I tried something with Design Spark Mechanical, but that didn't quite work well. So I think we can have a good more luck with FreeCAD, because like, you know, if you make it properly parametric, then it will be easier to change some things. All right, thank you very much for watching. And I guess I will see you in the next one, maybe tomorrow. If not, then definitely on Wednesday. Drop by tomorrow, see if I'm live. And if not, then I will see you all on Wednesday. Thank you very much for watching today, and bye bye.